After the last video on 10 ways to automate sales, let us now discuss how to identify buyers. What factors to consider when identifying them? And what to ask when researching to identify customers. Role of data analysis in identifying prospects. Data analysis plays a vital role in identifying buyer personas. By analyzing data, businesses can gain insights into their target customers' demographics, psychographics, and behavior. This information can then be used to create buyer personas that are more accurate and relevant. By combining various sources of data, businesses can create buyer personas that are highly accurate and relevant. These personas can then be used to improve marketing campaigns, product development, and customer service. Identify your buyer persona. A buyer persona, also called a user persona, marketing persona, or audience persona, is a fictional profile of your ideal customer based on market and audience research. In other words, it's an imaginary person that embodies the most important characteristics found within your broad audience. Just like a real living and breathing customer, a buyer persona should have a demographic and psychographic profile, behavior trends, values, desires, pain points, and affiliations. Though the persona is fictional, the profile should be as well-rounded as possible. Generating buyer personas isn't about describing a potential customer or a vision for business expansion. On the contrary, the buyer persona should reflect individuals who already exist within your target market to help marketing, sales, and product departments make better decisions. Who should be involved? Typically, these 5 business departments are included. 1. Marketing. The marketing team is responsible for creating messaging and campaigns that appeal to specific audience segments. 2. Sales. The sales team has direct contact with customers and can provide insights into their needs, pain points, and motivations. 3. Customer service. The customer service team has direct contact with customers and can provide insights into their behavior, preferences, and feedback. 4. Product development. The product development team can provide insights into the features and benefits that customers are looking for in a product or service. 5. Management. Senior management can provide strategic direction and ensure that the buyer personas align with the company's overall goals and objectives. How to create buyer persona. 1. Demographics. Demographics are the characteristics of a specific population. They are often closely related to the individual's identity and can have a large impact on their experience of the world. Some examples of demographics are age, sex, location, family status, level of education. Because demographic factors are such an important component of the customer's experience, they should definitely be included in the user persona. 2. Professional status. Professional status refers to the occupational or employment status of individuals in the market audience. These can include job title, industry, work arrangement, level of seniority, and income. This criteria is particularly important in business-to-business marketing, where targeting decision-makers and influencers within a company can greatly impact the success of a marketing campaign. 3. Psychographics. Psychographics refers to the personality, values, interests, and attitudes of a target audience. It goes beyond demographics to identify the psychological characteristics of individuals that influence their behavior as consumers. 4. Influences and information sources. Influences and information sources reveal where customers spend their time, where they get their information, and whom they trust. Some examples are preferred websites and blogs, favorite social networks, favorite media, digital/audio/print, influencers and thought leaders they trust and look up to, and favorite events or conferences, online or offline. This information is a valuable source to guide influencer marketing, communication, PR, advertising, and content placement efforts. Some examples include values, beliefs, political views, and lifestyles. Sorry for interrupting. The remaining part of the video will play after this short interruption. These are all the places you can find me: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Spotify, Pinterest, etc. To receive only my video updates, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel. To receive all video updates and trendy blog advice, and also infographics, and also other interactive contents, you may subscribe to Performers Community on Quora, or Tumblr blog, or MailChimp newsletter. You will find all the URLs in the description of this video. Let's now continue with the video. 5. Pain points. Pain points are the specific problems or challenges customers face while trying to accomplish their goals or meet their needs. They can include things like frustrations, inconveniences, obstacles, inconsistencies, dissatisfactions. By understanding the specific problems or challenges customers face while trying to achieve their goals or meet their needs, businesses can create solutions that directly address these issues. 6. Purchasing process. Purchasing process data provides information about how customers make purchases. This includes role in the purchase decision-making process, potential lifetime cycle, the frequency of use or purchase, and barriers in the purchasing process. By understanding the customer's perspective and experience, businesses can improve their chances of converting potential customers into actual customers and building long-term relationships with them. How do you do buyer persona research? 1. Customer research. Collecting data through surveys, focus groups, interviews, and observation. This is a popular option for well-established businesses that already have a large customer base. 2. Direct customer feedback. Soliciting feedback from customers about their experiences through online reviews, customer service interactions, and social media interactions. This is also a good option for well-established companies. 3. Government data sources. Accessing publicly available data from government agencies, such as the Census Bureau or Bureau of Labor Statistics. This data can provide information about demographics, economic indicators, and market trends. 4. Industry research. Collecting data through market research reports by organizations like Gartner or Forrester, industry publications, and competitor analysis tools. Though this data can be costly, it offers insights that go beyond what businesses can gather from their own audience. 5. Social media. Tracking social media conversations, interactions, and trends on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It also enables businesses to understand how people discuss their industry and adjacent interests. Collecting and analyzing data from various sources, such as website traffic, social media engagement, and email campaigns. Analytics software can provide insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and interests.